All right, so we got the bushings and the plates on. Um, so as you're looking from the bottom of the car, here's your right and your left. And then the bolts go on the inside here. So that on the inside, so here's the inside. So this little cubby hole here is for the bolt head this side, and then this side is the nut head. So the nut outside. Right. It's in here. Bolt side, nut side. So looking at it like that. Okay. Right, left, right, left. There you go. And then I'll do the bushings in the back. They just slip in, so I'll put those in when I do the rear. That's it.